In this video, we show how how the columns in a list can be responsively shown and hidden as the size of the device on which the list is being displayed changes. So you can see here that we have a list control that has multiple columns in it, and I've got a slider control over here that's going to change the width of the list, and you can see that as I start changing the list of the width, columns are disappearing from the list. So when I get down to a small list, I only have one column, and then as I grow, you can see that columns are basically appearing as the width changes. So in order to create a list control with responsive columns, we go into the list over here, and then we'll go into our list settings and go over to layout, and we can see here that for each column that we would like to be responsively shown or hidden, we set the property of the responsive column property. So what this is saying here is that the column ID, the customer ID column, will disappear if the list is less than 900 pixels wide. Then the company name will disappear when the list goes less than 800 pixels, and then so on. So basically, for each 100 pixel decrease in the list width here, we are removing an additional column from the list. And finally, when we get down to just basically less than 300 pixels, we're only going to have the country column. So basically, the ability to create responsive columns in a list is a powerful new layout feature for the list control. Thanks very much for watching.